when users index is coming. Okay, then no, here is make a index for this one. Okay, and here type is TSX, we are TypeScript using, so then here use users, then colon any, not any, here is users type is from the types. There is already, if you go here index section, there is a user interface for the all fields, ID, number, email, avatar, and all those things. So let's create first of all index, and we need to one more thing, can get these filters, and can also, if you get from the pros, it's okay, no problem. Constant destructure filters comma can from the use page from Inertia React, and then dot props. Okay, let's first of all create according to this one column. Okay, constant columns for table, and then make one series. Here is make column for first of all index column. Okay, key is index key, then its label will be whatever you have to use, as I'm using same. Type is type बनाएंगे, let's make a type. Oh, there is a mistake. Then type index column, then create width of this function is, we give 80 pixel, then we need to sortable is false. This then sortable false. What's going on? Then render one function, iterate items any, then index is a number, then callback function calling here return filter page -1 filters page -1 into filters page plus index plus 1. Okay, let's separate why this error. Okay, let's save, then it will be fine. Next, another column is let's key name. This is a type is text column, no need to here text for text column, only we need to sortable is true, and then no need to send a callback function for this one. Let's remove all those things is I automatically created. Then open this one for email and sortable is true. Then actions. Okay, that's it. Let's later other functions I will give here how is working. And then let's go to the components, data tables. Okay, data tables.tsx. First of all, let's make a data table tsx file. Okay, let's first of all import router use space from Inertia React, then import some icons, arrow down, Lucy chart, arrow up, arrow up, then chevron left, then chevron right, then search. Okay, these icons let's import from this one Lucy React. Same import one use state from React, and then we will create one dialog for delete. Import, let's later import this one, and then create export default function data table. Here is a pass some parameters. First of all will become data, then columns. Okay, this is array type of columns, router, no, resource name is empty, route name is empty, then filters also need here. This is empty object, then view route. Okay, let me import all required fields, everything's okay. Okay, can view resource, can create resource, can edit resource, and can delete resource, icon, create route, edit route, on delete function, create true, no need to this true, let's remove, and then singular name, what will be the resource single name. Let's move on the easy way. After that create functions. Okay, let's first of all constants errors. from use props, then constant source okay. Source set source state source field for page is 10 by default, source then id by default, otherwise here is source direction is source direction, then item delete to source, then source delete dialog state. Okay, let's render return from here div class name width like a full and busy white. Later you have to use here is the dark available, now only busy. Okay, and then use px6 and py4, then go to create here another div use class name is margin bottom 6 flex items. I am using my reference. Okay, this one is the second div. Here you have to create a resource and you have to use, there is icon, we have to send icons. This icon and a resource name is, I am using translation now not. Okay, this one is resource heading. Then we need to create, if we have to create here, first of all check can create resource, can create resource, then you have to use here routes of your creates with button. Add single name. Okay, then we need to use a source form. Okay, it will be going to long videos, you can take pause video and get from here. Okay, make column this one and make form handles for source, input for source. Okay, source, then you have to target it source, then source component you need to import, then you have to source button, Lucy chart you have to import source icon, then you have to show here pagination handle for per page, this one per page is 105, how many you have to use, this one make, and let's create two functions for the handle source and this one.